Let's be honest, most luxury cars look amazing when they're new, but a few years later, they start showing their true colors. Warning lights, expensive parts, and constant trips to the mechanic. But every now and then, a few special models prove that real luxury is built to last, not just to impress. These are the cars that still run smooth after hundreds of thousands of miles. The ones owners swear by because they simply don't quit. In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 used luxury cars built to last forever vehicles praised by real owners, backed by Consumer Reports and RepairPal, and known for combining timeless comfort with rock-solid reliability. These are what makes a luxury car last, not the flashy, fragile luxury cars that drain your savings. These are the ones you can count on for years to come. Alright, let's start strong with a car that truly represents timeless luxury and reliability. The Lexus GS. Especially the models from 2015 to 2020, this sedan was Lexus at its best. Elegant, powerful, and built with the kind of engineering that reminds you why Toyota's luxury division earns such a legendary reputation for dependability. Under the hood, the GS offered 2 proven options. The GS 350 powered by a 3.5L V6, producing 311 horsepower, and 4 used luxury cars built to last, the GS 450H. The hybrid version combining performance with impressive fuel efficiency. Both engines are known for their smoothness and durability, with owners on Consumer Reports praising them for lasting well past 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. According to RepairPal, the GS has an average annual maintenance cost of around $540, far below what most European rivals demand. Inside, the GS feels solid and refined with high-quality leather, real wood trim, and one of the quietest cabins in its class. You get heated and ventilated seats, a Mark Levinson premium audio system, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The driving experience is calm yet confident, perfect for long drives or city cruising. Now it's not flawless. Some owners mention that the infotainment system can be a bit complicated and the ride slightly firm on the FS Sport trims. But overall, the Lexus GS stands as one of the most reliable luxury sedans ever made. A car that feels as if it was built to outlive the competition, not just outshine it. Alright, next up is a luxury sedan that often flies under the radar, but has quietly built a loyal following for its performance and dependability. The Infiniti Q50, particularly the models from 2017 to 2021, this car proves that you don't need a German badge to get real luxury and power that lasts. Infiniti, Nissan's premium division, gave the Q50 a reputation for strong engineering and mechanical reliability. That still holds up today. The Q50 comes with one of the most respected engines in the segment, a 3.00L twin-turbo V6 delivering anywhere from 300 to 400 horsepower depending on the trim. It's paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission that's smooth and durable, and optional all-wheel drive for extra grip. Owners on Consumer Reports and Edmunds praise the engine for its refined performance and long-term reliability, noting that it can easily go beyond 200,000 miles with regular care. RepairPal gives the Q50 a 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating with an average annual maintenance cost around US $640, which is impressive for a luxury performance sedan. Inside, the Q50 mixes comfort with a sporty touch. You get leather-appointed seats, dual touchscreen displays, Bose premium audio, heated front seats, and advanced safety systems like blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. The cabin feels solid and quiet, though some owners mention that the infotainment interface can feel dated compared to newer rivals. While a few drivers say the ride can be firm on sportier trims, the majority agree the Q50 offers a perfect middle ground between performance and reliability. It's a car built for people who love to drive, but also love not seeing their mechanic too often. Alright, let's move on to a car that perfectly represents Japanese precision and balance. The Acura TLX, especially the models from 2018 to 2021. This is the kind of luxury sedan that doesn't need to shout to be respected. Acura focused on what truly matters. Smooth performance, comfort, and the kind of reliability that keeps owners holding on to their cars for years. Under the hood, you'll find 2 tried-and-true options. A 2.4L 4-cylinder with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, or a 3.5L V6 with an N-speed automatic. Both are known for being durable and well-engineered, But the V6 is where the TLX really shines, offering 290 horsepower with effortless acceleration and the optional super-handling all-wheel drive SHAWD system. According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, the TLX scores above average in reliability with an annual maintenance cost of around US $430, one of the lowest in its class. Inside, the TLX delivers a mix of luxury and practicality. You get leather upholstery, heated seats, dual-zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and Acura's EOS S Studio Premium sound system, which is genuinely impressive for its clarity. Safety is another strong point. Even base trims include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. The cabin is quiet, well-built, and feels like it was designed for drivers who value comfort and logic over flash. If there's one thing owners mention, it's that the infotainment setup with its dual-screen layout takes a little getting used to. But beyond that, the TLX has proven to be one of the smartest buys in the used luxury market. It's not just a comfortable car, it's a car that gives you peace of mind every time you turn the key. If you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who just like you want luxury without the headaches. And tell me down in the comments, have you ever owned an Acura, a Lexus, or maybe even an Infiniti? I'd love to know which car earned your trust over the years. Now, stay with me because the next one is a true hidden gem. A luxury sedan that feels brand new even after years on the road. Let's wrap up with one of the most underrated luxury sedans of the last decade. The Genesis G80. Especially the models from 2017 to 2022, this car proved that Hyundai's luxury brand isn't just about style, it's about substance. The G80 came in quietly, but it impressed both owners and experts by delivering comfort, performance, and reliability on par with Lexus at a much lower cost. Under the hood, you'll find solid engine choices. A 3.8 L V6, a 3.3 L twin-turbo V6, or even a 5.0 L V8 in higher trims. All of them have proven durable when properly maintained with smooth acceleration and quiet cruising. According to Consumer Reports, the G80 scored above average in reliability year after year, and RepairPal estimates its annual maintenance cost at around US $565, which is excellent for a full-size luxury sedan. Owners also love how planted it feels on the road, stable, confident, and composed even at highway speeds. Step inside and the Genesis G80 feels like a car that should cost twice as much. You get Napa leather seats, real wood trim, ventilated and heated front seats, a premium Lexicon sound system, and advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping key ownership tips assist, and automatic emergency braking. The ride is silky smooth and the cabin insulation rivals European sedans that cost tens of thousands more. Some owners mentioned that fuel economy isn't great and that the infotainment screen feels a little dated in earlier years, but that's about it. The Genesis G80 is proof that you don't need to buy a Mercedes or BMW to experience true luxury. It's a car built to last, built to impress, and built for people who appreciate quality that stands the test of time. And there you have it. 4 used luxury cars built to last forever. Each one proves that real quality doesn't fade with time. It gets stronger. From the refined precision of Japanese engineering to the quiet confidence of Korean craftsmanship, these cars remind us that true luxury isn't about showing off. It's about feeling at peace behind the wheel. If you've been thinking about buying a luxury car that won't leave you stranded, final thoughts, or drain your wallet, these 4 are the perfect examples of smart ownership cars made to be driven, not babied. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these would you take home? Or maybe you already own one of them. Share your story down in the comments. Your experience might help someone make the right choice.